बाल बनाती है, बाल कौन बनाता है? मैंने एक्टिंग करनी शुरू करी तो तब सब कहते हैं एक्टिंग कर रही है, पूरे फैमिली में कोई एक्टर नहीं है. बिजनेस कर रही है, फैमिली में कोई बिजनेस नहीं करता है. So why does she want to do this? I think people didn't take me seriously, which worked for me. I don't know, when women are starting businesses, it's looked as a hobby or a side hustle. We are labeled as confused. I just want to say, no, we are not delusional. We are very decisive. Look at me now. It's fine if you've not studied business. You can still do it if you have the instinct to do it. मैंने business में सीख लिया how to not take no for an answer. Hi, this is Parul Gulati for Brute.
So Parul, what was that one turning point when you realized you wanted to build something of your own?
It was that moment when I stopped waiting for someone to give me a chance और खुद से वो chance create किया. And वो निशहर से हुआ जो मैंने अपने living room से start किया. और जब एक एक्ट्रेस ने एंटरप्रेन्योर बनने का ठान लिया तभी आई थिंक सब बदल गया. 2017 में हुआ था ये. और उससे पहले मुझे था कि फिल्में करूँगी, बड़ी स्टार बनूँगी, तो एक अपनी कंपनी शुरू करूँगी. और उसी साल एक मूवी मेरी रिलीज़ होने वाली थी और वो नहीं चलने वाली थी. ऐसे एक फीलिंग आ जाती है एज एन एक्टर, आपको पता होता है जब आप प्रमोट कर रहे होते हो. तो मैंने सोचा तभी वेट क्यों करूँ उस दिन का कि बड़ी स्टार जब बनूंगी, क्यों नहीं अभी. ऐसा नहीं था कि सिर्फ एक चीज़ से था कि हेयर एक्सटेंशन शुरू करूँ, क्योंकि पहले हेयर एक्सटेंशंस कोई कर भी नहीं रहा था, राइट. सो एक तो मैंने बहुत बार ही बोल चुकी हूँ कि कीपिंग अप विद कार्डाशियंस देख रही थी, उन्होंने हेयर एक्सटेंशंस बोला तो मैं सोचा वाओ, हेयर एक्सटेंशंस की कंपनी तो कोई नहीं कर रहा. फिर हुआ कि मैंने अपने बाल छोटे काट लिए थे और एक कैरेक्टर के लिए लंबे बाल चाहिए थे, क्योंकि जैसे ना हीरोइंस के बाल लंबे होने चाहिए, छोटे बाल हीरोइंस के थोड़ी होते हैं, हॉलीवुड में होते हैं. तब मुझे लंबे बाल चाहिए थे, मुझे आसानी से कहीं नहीं मिल रहे थे. दे वर टू एक्सपेंसिव या फिर बहुत भारी थे. सो एक वो अपनी नीड को फुलफिल करना, दूसरा पार्ट की हेयर एक्सटेंशंस कोई कर नहीं रहा है, तीसरा कि क्यों ना मैं ही बना लूँ इसे. सो आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ दीज थ्री थिंग्स गिव मी अ वेरी गुड क्लैरिटी.
So hair extensions have become a big part of beauty routines. What's the biggest myth you want to bust about them?
कि वो नकली लगते हैं या फिर विग लग सकते हैं. That's not true. I'm wearing it right now. In fact, I would not even mind removing it to show you how natural it looks and blends into my hair. So that's the beauty of it. And I've built it strand by strand. So I know when I say it, ये natural लगते हैं. और ये आपकी ब्यूटी को इन्हांस करते हैं. इट्स लाइक मेकअप फॉर हेयर, राइट. आप मेकअप करने से पहले नहीं सोचते, लेकिन हेयर एक्सटेंशन लगाने से पहले लोग अभी भी सोचते हैं. सो आई रियली वांट टू ब्रेक दैट मिथ दैट इट डजंट लुक लाइक अ विग.
Did being in front of camera help you understand the kind of products women really need?
Absolutely.
How
as in जब मैं खुद लगाती थी हेयर प्रोडक्ट्स, उस वक्त पता लगता था ये हैवी है या फिर ये नेचुरल नहीं लग रहा है, क्योंकि सबसे बड़ा डर ये होता है कि नेचुरल नहीं लगते हेयर एक्सटेंशंस, राइट. सो दैट वाज वन ऑफ द थिंग्स. लेकिन काम करते करते आई अंडरस्टूड मोर कि क्या ज़रूरत है इस वक्त, व्हाट्स द नीड ऑफ द आवर. दैट क्लैरिटी आई गॉट बाय जस्ट डूइंग इट.
beauty businesses are often said to capitalize on women's insecurities. What's your take on that?
It's sad, but that sells. I mean, not that I am trying to say through my business, but everyone in beauty eventually, and that's how we are conditioned, our brains are conditioned. When I'm also buying something, I'm first thinking, because I have dark circles, I want that. Because my hair is falling, I want that. And it's just they go together. But when even we are marketing or even when we are telling a story, we realize what's missing and then we try to fill that. Now that is someone's insecurity or that is missing in the world, hence we are creating it. So selling becomes easy.
So what's been tougher, finding work in the show business or running a company?
They both have their own challenges. जब काम ढूंढ रहे होते हो तो रिजेक्शन जो मिलती है उससे मैंने बिजनेस में सीख लिया हाउ टू नॉट टेक नो फॉर एन आंसर. So they have helped me. Each challenge has made me learn something and helped me something in the other profession.
What were some stereotypes you faced as a woman building a business in the beauty space?
I don't know, when women are starting businesses, it's looked as a hobby or a side hustle. I don't know why people think so. They don't take women seriously when they are starting out businesses. So I just want to say, no, we are not delusional. We are very decisive. We are not confused. We are intuitive. And we are building empires right now. I have a global vision for my brand and I want to take it really, really ahead. And I'm sure every woman wants same as what a man wants when it comes to business. We are always thought of as emotional. Again, we are very intuitive. And we have the superpower to be able to multitask. That's where I think we are overlooked or looked down upon, because we are doing multiple things and we are labeled as confused. That myth I really, really, really want to break.
Can you tell us about the comments you've received?
I think because I was doing something so new, and I've always done something that not everybody was doing. Even when I come from रोहतक हरियाणा, मैंने एक्टिंग करनी शुरू करी तो तब सब कहते हैं एक्टिंग कर रही है, पूरे फैमिली में कोई एक्टर नहीं है, बिजनेस कर रही है, फैमिली में कोई बिजनेस नहीं करता है, सो व्हाई डज शी वांट टू डू दिस. तो कमेंट्स यही थे कि इट वाज ऑलवेज फ्राउंड अपॉन कि बाल बनाती है, बाल कौन बनाता है. लुक एट मी नाउ. So those are the only comments. I just laugh at it. I think people didn't take me seriously, which worked for me, because when I did something, because expectations एकदम zero थी, तो उसके बाद सब surprised ही हुए, and I think there was a happy surprise.
Tell us 5 do's and don'ts of running a small business in India.
Do's that, especially for women, I would say, go read up about numbers, about taxes, read those laws because they help. I mean, it becomes taxing to read up about your basic laws and taxes, which I learned the hard way. I'll say definitely women need to do that. Be social media friendly because that is the norm right now. Everyone is following that. It's fine if you've not studied business. You can still do it if you have the instinct to do it. Do not give up. That'll be in your don'ts. Do not give up. Believe in your vision. Do not listen to no as the first answer. Always believe there's a yes after 5 no's. So keep going.
What does a day off look like for you? How do you balance work and life?
It happens. I've always asked this. I think I really want to break that myth too, that how I'm doing 5 things or 3 things at once is because I have the hunger to, and I chose this life. My work doesn't feel like work to me. It's just, I feel lucky every day doing this interview. I feel so lucky. Being in Cannes right now, I feel so lucky. So I think my balance is my gratitude. Me knowing that I dreamt of this life and I'm living it today. So my day looks like filled with multiple things. Every minute there's something new. Something as little as I was wearing something else, but my team was like, no, you should wear a sari because sari will look really, really pretty because it's Brute India. And so yeah, anything can happen any minute. I'm just ready for it.
Has building niche hair changed how you view money, independence and success?
100%.
How?
The financial freedom that I have right now. And I feel every woman needs to have a taste of money and success, because once they get that, there's no looking back. I really wish success upon every woman that's listening to this. How it's changed my worldview is just being an actress, I wasn't dealing with people on day-to-day basis, doing sales. When I'm talking to another person, a consumer, you are understanding what is the consumption like, what are the trends. And most importantly, I learned about human behavior, which is a very big topic I'm talking about. Like, I understood human behavior. It's just the empathy that I got. Like, right now you're sitting here, I kind of would have a sense of what you would like and what you would not like is something I understood by doing business.
Can you tell us one hair hack every girl should know?
When you do not want to wash your hair, there are 2 things you can do. Dry shampoo really, really works. I have used it because I didn't have enough time in the morning because I have 2-3 looks to do. Dry shampoo really helps. And if you need extra volume, then hair extensions, niche hair.
Has becoming a businesswoman had any bearing on your sense of style?
It just made me more responsible about what I wear, how I wear it. And I think it just happened with time. It's something that it wasn't a decision.
Do you think cinema still has the power to spark real world change?
It does. Before we had anything, we had movies. Social media is still new. So the ones who still look for storytelling or love to watch stories or long formats instead of reels, it does have an impact. I mean, all of us grew up watching movies, the dreams that we had, how we saw ourselves. They always said कि जब भी आप low feel कर रहे हो एक movie देख लो. उससे एक चेंज आप में ही स्पार्क होता है. और अभी आई थिंक वो शायद अब फिल्मों से ज़्यादा वो और मीडियम्स में आ गया है. आपके पास डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज हैं, स्मॉल फॉर्मेट है, बट मूवीज विल ऑलवेज स्टे मूवीज.
Which film are you most excited to watch at the festival?
I'm getting to watch Eddington today, as I said. It's Ari Aster. I love his cinema. And especially the story. Finally, someone's made a movie which is also dark humor on 2020 pandemic. And now I think it's because we are over it a little bit, I believe. So we can watch, laugh at it and have fun. And there's Joaquin Phoenix. There's Pablo Pascal.
Finish the sentence. Dear 13-year-old me, you're going to be
at Cannes in 2025 and talking to Brute about it. So it's a pinch me moment.